Hi, I'm Jason, and you're watching MKTV. Today we are here at a Repair Cafe Toronto pop-up at Main Street Library. Today we are at a Repair Cafe Toronto pop-up, and here I am speaking with.
Hi, I'm Oleg.
Okay, so can you sort of describe in brief what the Repair Cafe is?
Well, at our Repair Cafe, we organize a big event once a month with some smaller ones in between at a different place each time. And we can fix household items, anything from appliances and electronics to clothing. We do sewing, books, jewelry, and bicycles. Our rule is pretty much whatever people can bring, we will try to fix.
So, what is kind of the base idea, or like what are you trying to accomplish?
Well, first of all, we try to fix we try to teach our visitors how to repair their item, and this will ultimately help reduce the amount of waste that goes to a landfill. As well, we found out that it also brings members of the community together. While people wait in line, they chat, they tell each other about their items and what's wrong with them, and it has actually happened that they were able to fix it themselves.
So, are there many different pop-ups across Toronto, or is it just like one at a time?
Well, usually there is one at a time. It has happened when we had two different events at the same time. Usually it's one per day. Most of them are on a weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, and then there are some in the middle of the week as well.
How exactly do you get involved with this event?
Well, our website is a great resource. If you can check out repaircafetoronto.ca, you'll find a calendar there, and it will tell you when and where there's going to be a repair cafe, as well as what are some of the items that we'll be fixing.
Okay, thank you for that. That's about all the questions I have for now.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching MKTV, part of the Toronto Student Media Network.
You're sure?